There are many plants in our garden, various types, various colors, and today I will be sharing with you what are the plants that are best for our home. So let's see which plants are best growing in our home garden. Stay tuned to Tamara's garden. Peace lily. Not only this is a flowering plant but also having lot of benefits keeping it with you, because this is recommended to have as an air purification plant, also such a beautiful indoor plant. So you can have this plant as an indoor plant or as an outdoor plant. Peace lily is one of the best plants to keep in your garden. This is an air purifier and all this has many good vibes to your home, because in Feng Shui also this is a best recommended plant. So have one of these peace lily plants in your home. Erica palm plant. This is another beautiful green plant for your home, because this also adds beauty, air purification, and also in Feng Shui this is said to bring good luck to home. These beautiful leaves will not only decor your home but having many benefits as a air purification plant and as a Feng Shui plant. So add this plant also in your home. When talking about best plants for your home, spider plants are one of the best. These plants also air purification plants, and even in Feng Shui these plants are said to bring good luck to your home. So add this best air purification plant in your home, because this is also a decorative plant. Swiss cheese plant. This is another beautiful green plant recommend for indoors and also at your entrance, because this is one of the best plants in Feng Shui. It is believed that this plant also attracts wealth and prosperity to your home. So add one of the Swiss cheese monstera plants in your home. Basil plants. Basil is a very wonderful herb to have in your garden. This not only brings good vibes but also such a wonderful herb in your cuisine. So add this one beautiful plant which is a insect repellent also. So add this beautiful basil plant too, which attracts good luck to your home. These are one of the other plants that one must have in your home garden. Snake plants. Here I have some snake plants, and these are the most important plants in your garden since they are air purification plants and low maintenance. So have these wonderful plants in your home. Money pothos. Money pothos also a wonderful plant in Feng Shui, and also it is said that this is an air purification plant too. So this is another beautiful plant to have in your home.